Well, 6 years and counting. A small-town Alabama mother waiting for justice after her son was gunned down in 2019. Tim Fletcher was 20 years old when state troopers say he was shot twice and left on the side of the road in Wilcox County. Our Shelby Myers finding out what's holding up the case. And Shelby, you spoke with Fletcher's mother.
Yeah, I did, Cameron, and she feels like her son's been forgotten about and just wants justice for Tim. And in new court documents tonight, one of the suspects accused of shooting Tim is also asking the court for a speedy trial.
He just loved people so much, and he went above and beyond to help people.
It's been 6 long years since Cynthia Fletcher lost her only son, Tim Fletcher.
And he said, I've been told he's on the side of the road dead. So we heard from Tim's best friend.
Aaliyah responded to Highway 162 in June of 2019. Someone had seen Tim's body beside his motorcycle on the side of the road. Investigators first treating it like a crash, but then a closer look revealed Tim had been shot twice in the back and the head. His wallet taken. Marlon Mendenhall and Maurice Powell were charged with capital murder each in the case. At this point, 6 years later, Cynthia says many people just assume there's already been a trial.
We have had just one delay after another, and just when you think it's actually going to happen, it gets moved back for another 6 or 8 months, and then it gets moved back for another 6 or 8 months. And it's just, every time you go to a hearing, you have to relive everything. And there's just no closure until something eventually happens.
According to court records, the two suspects are cousins, and when Tim was killed, they were out on bond for an incident about 3 weeks prior. The two had been accused of shooting Powell's stepfather in the leg. While the two men are being tried separate in Tim's death, according to court documents, Powell has a pending mental health examination order which has delayed the trial. Mendenhall, who was being held in Mobile County Metro Jail for about a year, just wrote this letter about 3 weeks ago demanding a speedy trial. It reads in part, quote, 6 years is an excessively long delay awaiting trial, and 6 years in the county jail is unreasonable. It's not fair. And he goes on to say, quote, this case has been delayed for too long. Tonight, I did reach out to the Wilcox County District Attorney's Office and left a message with him. I have not heard back. I also reached out to Mendenhall's attorney, who says his client is innocent. And, quote, we emphasize that the current timeline is not unusual given the complexity and seriousness of capital cases. These matters require thorough preparation and careful consideration by all parties to ensure the integrity of the legal process, end quote. In the studio tonight, Shelby Myers, Fox 10 News.